Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa to hold a meeting with officials regarding Lockdown 4.0 at 11 a.m. today. The meeting comes following the guidelines issued by the central government about lockdown. Ministers also likely to take part in the meeting. The BMTC bus stand in Majestic wore a deserted look this morning. Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa is expected to take a call on letting buses and other public transport function in the meeting with the other ministers today. COVID-19 cases has been reported in the state of Karnataka. No cases have been reported from Bengaluru on the 17th of May. Out of the 55 cases that has been reported, 22 cases has been reported from Mandya. Special trains have been arranged to take migrant workers to northeastern states, including Assam and Tripura. These migrants gathered in front of palace grounds to enroll themselves. 9 trains are scheduled to leave Bengaluru today to take migrant workers back to their hometown. Karnataka DG-IGP Praveen Sood has ordered that all policemen on duty in containment zones, checkpoints and in hospitals must be provided PPE kits. He also told the Commissioner and police superintendents that those policemen on COVID-19 duty must undergo the rapid test for COVID-19. To prevent people entering from Tamil Nadu to various parts of Karnataka, the authorities have closed all borders and have dug up trenches in Karnataka along the borders. People are now left in the lurch with all the borders being shut down and the roads being dug up. People visiting from other states and other districts of the state are being tested at Devanahalli. Officials have made arrangements to quarantine people if they are found with any symptoms of COVID-19. The Health Department has said it is not compulsory for all the health workers to undergo quarantine. Health workers who are in close contact with the patients only should be in quarantine. Health personnel working in non-COVID-19 wards and people working wearing PPE kits do not need to undergo home quarantine is what the Health Department says. Health Minister Boya Sriramulu said that the lockdown will continue in Karnataka. Ramulu said that the malls and theatres would not be allowed to operate in the state till the end of this month. Transport Minister Lakshman Savadi said that the government has written to the centre seeking the restarting of the BMTC and KSRTC operations. Savadi said that they would take a call following the central government's guidelines on lockdown 4. He also said that masks and social distancing is compulsory while travelling in these buses. Amidst the nationwide lockdown, business was seen going on as usual in Bengaluru's KR market. The market has been shut due to the outbreak, but this did not hinder vegetable and fruit sellers as they were seen selling fruits and vegetables on the footpath. Needless to say, no social distancing was maintained and some of them were not even wearing masks as well. KSRTC officials are prepared to restart bus operations at Kempegowda bus station by drawing social distancing marks. Social distancing marks were drawn at bus stations to ensure that passengers maintain distance with each other. The BMRCL has prepared guidelines to start operations taking all the precautionary measures. Only 350 passengers would be allowed to travel in one train. Only one entry and exit gate will be opened at all the metro terminals. Passengers will be screened before allowing them into the train. Train will not be stopped in containment zones. Gym and Bodybuilders Association has threatened to protest if the government does not give permission for them to open their gyms. They also demanded that the gyms must be included under MSME category and demanded financial aid from the government. Bengaluru Hotel Association has written to state government seeking permission to restart hotel operation in the city. Hotel Association said that they would follow all the safety measures while operating the hotels. There are over 5,000 service-based hotels in Bengaluru. Congress MLA B. Shivanna and Sandalwood actor Jairam Karthik distributed food kits to hundreds of people. Hundreds of people collected the food kits, but they failed to maintain social distancing norms while collecting it. Sai Foundation donated over 15,000 ration kits to the needy in Nelamangala. Deputy Chief Minister Dr. C.N. Ashwath Narayan was present while the distribution of ration kits was going on. Strict social distancing was maintained while distributing the food to the people. Ashwath Narayan also thanked the Sai Foundation for helping the needy people. Byatarayana police have arrested 7 people in connection with rowdy sheeter Ashok murder case. 7 people who have been arrested are followers of the rowdy sheeter. They had murdered Ashok on the 7th of May. A lorry carrying matchboxes from Tamil Nadu to Karnataka caught fire near Electronic City. Fire personnel immediately rushed to the spot and doused the fire. Former Prime Minister and JDS Supremo H.D. Deve Gowda turns 87 years old today. Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa sent him a birthday wish on Twitter. He said that he will always look up to him and his leadership.